Hey guys, I'm back, my Cutie Pies 2001, and here I am going to show you my second added squishies. So the first one is this Goody Murphy, and it's a fake one as there is no Brazil license. It came in like this. So yeah, and there is defects when I bought it. There are some cracks on the nose, the ripoff. So yeah, and there's some tearing off from here. Yeah, and so the next one is this Brother Squishies, and it came in this package, and it's really cute. Yeah, and yep, and it gives this little small paper something. Yeah, as you can see, there is a Brazil license in here. But you can't see it too clear as it's Swiss roll. And this is really squishy. And it's really fun. Yeah, and this is the real Brazil, and this is a fake one. So I want to tell you that it's been a long time since I never post any videos. I'm so sorry because I have exams. And yeah, so there are some more times I'm gonna show you more about my squishies. I made this for my best friend. And I made this for my best friend too. So that's all, and thank you for viewing. I hope you enjoy it. Bye!